Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the tilted block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 3. I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into each of the first 2 stitches of your row. So there's 1 and 2. You're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, you're going to make a triple crochet. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And then over this triple crochet you just made, you're going to make 3 double crochet. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches. Into the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to make this stitch again. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and into this next one you're going to make a triple crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 double crochet over that triple crochet you just made. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next 3, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Sticking with our sequence, skip 2 stitches. Into that next one, make a triple crochet. So that's 1 triple crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet over this triple you just made. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip 2 stitches and you're going to have 3 stitches left. Into those last 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into each of the first 2 stitches. So there's 1 and 2. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. You're going to skip over to this previous chain 3 space and make a single crochet into that space. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. You're now going to skip over to the next 3 previous double crochet, and you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of them. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip over to the next previous chain 3 space and make a single crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip over to the next previous 3 double crochet in a row and make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip to this next previous chain 3 space, make a single crochet into it. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. Now you're going to skip to the last 3 stitches of your row we have 2 double crochet and some chains. These chains are counting as a stitch by themselves, so it's going to be acting as 3 double crochet. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So there's 1, 2, and then for the chains, you're going to make a double crochet into the top of them. And there's 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into each of the first 2 stitches of your row. So that's 1 and 2. So row 4 is going to be very similar to row 2. We are going to be making these tilted block stitches. Instead of skipping 2 stitches like we did here, we're going to be skipping these 2 chains. Into this next single crochet, you're going to make that triple crochet stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet around that triple crochet you just made. So same thing here, we're going to skip these chain 2 into these next 3 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to repeat that sequence, skip this chain 2 space into this previous single crochet, make a triple crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet around this triple crochet you just made. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip this next chain 2 into these next 3 double crochet. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Skip this next chain 2 space into this next single crochet by itself, make a triple crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 double crochet around the triple crochet you just made. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're skipping this next chain 2 space. At the end of our row, we have 2 double crochet and then some chains acting as a double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into each of those 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and 2. And then these chains acting like a double crochet, you're going to make a double crochet into the tops of those to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the tilted block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.